Who wants an app that obsoletes the need for financial consultants with the dumb idea of sequential averaging? Why, me, of course. They don't pay me much, but they don't pay me anything. So what do I have to lose? Ethereal Averager is an application that averages numbers so that you may find whether you're buying too high. You can calculate for that, or seeing how much it earns in a month by calculating a short-term average. It has many other use cases with anything dealing with numbers. So why not use it? It'll get you ahead of all your losses eventually.